everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make another Christmas trifle. Since you guys liked the other one, I'm going to do a part 2. So this one's a lot different. So this one, it says, this one, because last time we did a different one. So this one's saying we're going to use custard. We're still going to use the same. So we got cream, we got raspberries, and we got raspberries and blackberries. So we're gonna, average the half berries fruits, 2 shadow dishes, bake up 2 pockets of jelly using half the amount of boiled water in the packet. Instructions to pour over the fruit, allow to set. Because it's on. I'm getting it. I don't know what to look. Oh, small amount. So, probably more than both, but so it's half a. Oh, okay. And then I'll do the raspberry. And we got the blackberry. So we're going to put put the hot water, because so we're gonna put this in the freezer until it's jelly. So I'm gonna put it in here now. I'm gonna do step 2 because we've already done step 1. So in the glass dish, layer the custard and berries, and finish up with the oh, it must be the custard, and then finish with the jelly. Okay. Those 2. So we're going to do custard, berries. So I'm going to cut the sponge. So we got the sponge. We're going to take the paper off. Because so I'm guessing I'm going to end up doing the same thing we did to the other one. So I don't know why, but we're gonna cut it in. Well, I'm gonna cut it like, get rid of the Yep. Yep. I've got to clean that. Put this on. In a bowl. Because hey Mum, how long are you going to be? Oh, I'm getting confused with the custard. Do I put the whole custard in? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I put it in the freezer. Oh, it's alright. I was just asking. Yeah. 600 mils. Don't know why he's going to his computer. Yep.
Give it a shake, but I think it's, you might need a bit more. Can you see 600? No. Maybe another squirt. A bit more.
So like this.
Yeah, just maybe, down to 300 mils. So just wait till it's...
Yeah.
But maybe a bit more, yeah. You've still got some left in the box, haven't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oops.
Okay. So, yeah, okay, so just layer, get a spoon out, big spoon, and just layer.
That?
Yeah, oh no, underneath the big spoon. Big silver spoon. Yeah, okay. So put a spoon of your jelly and berry mix.
Okay. Still.
Get it a bit closer so you don't hear.
Oops.
Okay, yeah.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
It's still a bit
Yeah,
watery.
that's alright. Yeah, a little bit more. That's why I said only a cupful, because you get be nice and berry.
Yeah.
Okay, and some of that one.
Right. Well, this one's a lot better.
Yeah, we'll get it closer. Yeah. Another spoon.
Yeah, this one's a lot better than that one.
Yeah, you only use a cup of boiling water. Just one more spoon. Okay. Now put your sponge.
Sponge. So how's your sponge?
Yeah, because just.
Oops.
Or you just cover the bottom. Yeah, get it all nicely covered.
No, I think they're home. Maybe because oh no, maybe they're wet.
Put a little bit. Yeah, just give it. Bounce down that side. Just keep
They sound like they're home.
Okay.
They sound like they're home. Yep.
Is it all covered?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, okay. Okay, we'll do it again now. Put all your custard.
So we just do.
Yeah, get your spoon and empty all your custard over your sponge. Get the spoon or the spatula. You want the spatula?
Yes, please.
The spatula's all out.
Yeah. Ow! You stop doing that. How you feel if someone do that to you?
Make the bottom.
Yeah. How do you feel like someone does that to you? You wouldn't like that.
Yeah, spread it around. If there's not enough, you've got some more in that box. Hang on, no, because we've got to hang on. Okay, no, because we've got to finish with the custard one. So. Okay, we'll put all your berries on now.
Same spoon?
Yeah. Yeah, just empty all your berries. Yeah.
Not happy with this.
No, it should have been only. Doesn't matter, Veronica.
Well, no, this wouldn't happen if you didn't have parcel.
Should have just had one. Yeah. Okay, mainly just get the berries. Get berries.
Just berries?
Yeah.
It might taste alright.
Yeah, it tastes nice because we put it back in here. See, if you only used 1 cup of water, the berries would have been all solid. Okay, we're going to put some more on.
No, if you didn't help him, this won't happen. Yep.
Okay, now put your rest of your sponge.
They're gone back.
And you come back on.
No one drank that away.
Yeah. I think I took teeth up all right.
Thanks, in the camera yet, of course. You opened it them the wrong way.
Doesn't matter. Let's put it cleanly up.
Yep. I made a mess in it.
Oh, it doesn't matter. We can work it up. Here we go, and just spread it.
Oh, it looks alright.
Yeah, spread it around, or if you want to spread it with a spoon or a spatula. Then whip up your cream. Put your cream on top. Oh, we have got some cream in the.
No, they'll taste a bit funny now.
Well, don't use all. Just use up a little bit of maybe whip up half the bottle.
I'm sure I got another bowl. That's just
That's right. What do we whip the cream in? What do you want to whip up all of it?
I'll just whip up all of it.
Yeah, okay. Okay, put it in there.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we're gonna whip. Is it on?
Yes.
They're looking after 2 houses now.
Who?
Ian and Mavis. They said here, what? So we picked up the green. Mm.
Okay, and what's left? You can save and we'll
Mm. Look at that.
yeah, good, okay. Now you want to put some of those raspberries on top? Or do you just want to put your topping?
We can put the raspberry. Oh,
Or you want to use the wild berry ones? Oh, you just want to put that on. We'll just put that on.
mhm. I'm just going to use that for my. Thank you for watching How to Make Christmas Trifle Part 2. If you guys want to try the first one I made and this one, I will put both recipes down the link. And then the top recipes. I'll put that link down in the description down below. Ronnie is out. Bye.
Very good.
That's correct.